In our interconnected digital world, transferring files between iPhone and Mac is essential for sharing photos, documents, and media. This guide provides 7 effective methods to seamlessly move data between these devices. Follow this simple tutorial to learn how to effortlessly sync your files. Option 1. How to transfer data from iPhone to MacBook via USB cable only. To connect your iPhone to your Mac, plug in the cable and open Finder. Select your iPhone under Locations. Click Files. To transfer files, drag and drop them between the app folder on your iPhone and your Mac. Option 2. How to transfer file between iPhone and Mac via Assistant for iOS. Flexible, fast, and secure data transfer is essential. Mobikin Assistant for iOS offers seamless content copying and management for all iOS devices. It's widely compatible and supports various data types. How to make the file transfer between Mac and iPhone with Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Download and install the product on your Mac. Connect your iPhone via USB and launch the program. Tap Trust on your iPhone to authorize the computer. Step 2. The left menu. Select the data types to copy. Preview and choose the items to transfer. Step 3. Click Export in the top menu. Select a destination on your Mac, and the transfer will begin. This tool allows batch transfers. Click Super Toolkit, iTunes Backup, and Restore Backup. In the pop-up, select the device and output folder, then click OK to start. For restoration, select Restore, confirm the device, choose an iTunes Backup, and click OK. Option 3. How to transfer files from iPhone to Mac by AirDrop. In Finder, go AirDrop. Enable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Set AirDrop visibility. On iPhone, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Control Center, AirDrop. Set iPhone visibility. File, Share, AirDrop. Select Device. To transfer files from your Mac to your iPhone, you can right-click File on Mac. Hover Share, AirDrop. Select iPhone. Click Done to transfer. Option 4. How to upload files from iPhone to Mac with iCloud Drive. On iPhone, go to Settings, Your Name, iCloud, iCloud Drive. Use the Files app to move files to iCloud Drive. Access them on PC or Mac via iCloud.com with your Apple ID, selecting iCloud Drive. Option 5. How to transfer data from iPhone to Mac via iTunes file sharing. Connect iPhone via USB to Mac. Open iTunes. Click Device above sidebar. Choose File Sharing. Select App. Pick File. Click Save to for destination. Press again to transfer. Option 6. How to transfer large files from iPhone to Mac using Dropbox. Visit Dropbox website, create account if needed. Authorize account. Download Dropbox app from App Store. Sign in with credentials. Tap Plus in app. Choose Files. Tap Upload. Access files on Mac in Dropbox app. Option 7. How to move files from iPhone to Mac by email. Access iPhone. Find File. Tap Share. Choose Mail. Log in. Compose. Attach. Send. Access email on Mac. Download files. To copy Mac to iPhone, compose email. Attach files. Send to yourself. Open email on iPhone. Download attached files.